AI is changing everything, and as you probably noticed, it's becoming a viral trend across the internet. But it's not just about how AI is changing jobs and industries, it's also creating insane opportunities for people like you and me. Imagine being able to build your own virtual business almost effortlessly and be able to make adjustments just with the click of a few buttons. Well, there's no need to imagine, because today I'm going to show you 4 lazy ways that AI is going to help you to make money online and start generating some income. Whether you're into content creation, e-commerce, or even consulting, AI can save you time, increase your productivity, and simplify complex processes. Now, I understand that a lot of you are afraid of starting your first business, and it's really easy to procrastinate in a space where there's so much information coming at you every single day. All of these side hustle ideas can be as big or as small as you want. It's really going to depend on how much effort you put into these and how consistent you are. If you give yourself a long enough time horizon, you can be super successful in any single one of these methods. Method number 1 is to build an AI automated dropshipping store where you can sell some products. I've got a link in the description where you can build your store in less than 2 minutes, and it even comes with winning products that you can start selling straight away. Once we log in, we're going to choose a niche. If you're not sure, just click not sure yet. You pick your banners for the home page, which you can change later, and here you're going to create a Shopify account to link to the store so the AI can start building a store for you. Within minutes, you'll have a website with the background and a few products to choose from that you can start selling straight away. Because you've already got the structure, now you just have to make some tweaks, create your ads, and you're ready to launch your product. Back in the day, you used to have to build out a whole website store yourself, and now it can be done in just a couple of minutes. That's the power of AI. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe so you see more content like this, and let's keep going with the next one. Now, method number 2 is very low risk and very easy to do, and it's using AI content to create affiliate websites. I'm going to take you to a website called Very Well Fit. These guys are getting somewhere around 5.5 million page views every single month. All they do is talk about topics around fitness, and at the very end you'll see that they have an affiliate link to Amazon, and what they do really well is give you a few different options based on your needs. And when you find a product that you're interested in, you click view on Amazon or view in Walmart, it'll take you to that product. Every time someone clicks on the link and buys a product, Very Well Fit get an affiliate commission, and that's how they're able to make thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions every single day. Here's another example of something that I recently got into, and that's barefoot shoes. This is more of a personal brand, but in it she has content all around barefoot shoes. She'll talk about a bunch of different brands, and at the end of each summary is a link to go to the website where you get her discount, and she'll also get an affiliate commission. In terms of the content, all you do is you go back to ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT to help you write an article. Of course, you need to do a little bit more than just accept the first thing that you get, but have a review, make some suggestions to ChatGPT, and you're going to see how powerful it really is. So I've just asked ChatGPT to write an article about the benefit of barefoot shoes over regular shoes. And look at this, already I can see this is a good article because it talks about the natural foot function, improved balance and posture, enhanced sensory feedback, stronger, healthier feet. So without me trying to sell you on barefoot shoes, you can see that there's some really good points that ChatGPT has already brought up. So a few more tweaks in making this sound a bit more relatable, and you'd have an article ready to put on your website. From here you can also create a giveaway to entice people to join your newsletter, and that way you can build a loyal following as well as give them offers whenever you see a really great deal come up. The next method we're going to talk about is to create an AI agency to automate people's businesses. One of the best ways to do that right now is through a software called Bubble. Bubble is a tool that can help you create production level applications. What's even better is that you don't even need to know how to code. There's already so many leading companies that use Bubble, and the types of products that you'll be able to help companies with are things like dashboards where you can pull in all your messages and all your notifications together to help companies know exactly what's happening in their business at all times. You'll also be able to help manage data and create automations that help to improve the systems that the company already has. You can easily charge a monthly fee for this, and then you create a tailored product specific to that problem that once it's set up, it's ready for your customer and you don't have to do any of the handling. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can charge. Now look, this wouldn't be a lazy AI video if I didn't actually use ChatGPT to help me come up with some business ideas to use Bubble. So let's go straight over to ChatGPT. I've asked ChatGPT what products can I create using Bubble to help companies solve their problems. One of the ideas is a customer relationship management tool, things like a sales pipeline automation. I've got another one here for inventory management systems where you can help with multi-location inventory control. Another one here is workflow automation, so you can help with approval workflow tools. There's a data analytics dashboard, something where you can show real-time data dashboards. That's really helpful for companies that make quick decisions based on data. And this is another really good one, is a membership or subscription management tool. So you can help with the subscription part, or you can help with the managing of the members part. Now let's move on to the last AI method, and that's to become an educator or content creator using AI generated content. Now it's even easier to create content than ever before, and I'm going to show you some examples of content that you can create. First example is the Stoic Journal. Here they post a bunch of videos that are all created by AI. That's the scripts, that's the video. And they've allowed you to join this channel for only $7 a month. And you can see here the benefits are photo and status updates, early access to new videos, member shoutouts, and priority reply to comments. Here's another example called AI Search. And here they pull together a whole bunch of different content about AI. When you look at the links, they take you to their website, and on their website they want you to subscribe to their newsletter, where it looks like part of their business model is to actually help you with recruitment into AI type jobs. The last example I want to show you is AI Guy, and here's similar to before. He's actually creating AI generated videos. He's built up a really strong following, and then he also funnels you into his community. He then charges $50 a month, where he has almost 700 members and growing. Now in this method, there's a few AI apps that you'll need to use. You'll definitely need ChatGPT. Then you can use something like DubDub or 11 Labs for the voiceover. You can then use Nvidia.io, or even better, use Leonardo.ai, which can now create moving video from images that's going to bring your videos to life. So now you have 4 lazy ways that you can use AI to start making money online today. I know there's a lot of changes with AI, but it also presents a lot of opportunities. The people who get left behind are the people who don't continue to adapt. The most important part to any of these methods is that you first take action and actually do something. That's often the hardest part, and where you really got to focus on just taking the next step. So make sure you subscribe. Check out my other videos if you want to learn more ways to make money. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.